everyone! Alrighty, it is time for a 3D print video. So, this one I believe we came up with the name of Ludicrous Zankye. This was designed by Crazy Aries, colored by me. The combo I've given it was 2A Zone plus C. I give it Zone Dash. I'm just afraid of sparking, chips breaking. And this was designed by Crazy Aries. Love it. And the next one is The World, designed by Quake and Bacon with Wheel and Drift. So we're going to be seeing how these titans do against the Dynamite Beys. So don't worry, if this one for whatever reason breaks, I'm not going to do some clickbait like, oh my god guys, the Bey broke, oh no, it's so sad, I'm going to do a design contest next week. Like, I'm not going to fabricate anything like that. So actually, they're all right, so I don't even have to worry about launching. I'm curious on how well this does. Oh god, I can already see it. Yeah, this one's going to be a beast in the stadium. Yeah, so this one's the crazy one. So this one we save for the second half of the video. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to Crazy Aries and Quake and Bacon. Links in the description below. Alright, well let's try out my Bey. So, you know, I have faith in my Bey, you know. I didn't do anything artificial to enhance it. Like, I didn't put any metal on it or whatever. It's authentic. None of that cheap stuff. And I've used it for more than one video, so, you know, integrity. I don't think it'll beat Dynamite Belial, but I will try. That's the power of my Bey. Look, my Bey is gonna win. It's definitely not, if it does actually break in the video, then after I can't really say anything now, can I? Look at that. Strength right there. Look at that. We're gonna see how many points I can rack up against this. Alright. I actually did get clicks off of Dynamite Belial, so. It actually did, so I am actually a little bit impressed. Ooh, look at the big hits. I also mentioned, ooh, okay, Dynamite almost did a good burst. And again, middle for the clicks. What was I gonna say? No high mode in the video, just because I know for both of them, high mode would lose. Okay, we're gonna, I don't know. I guess Belial got scared. Oh, okay, big hit, but it can't stop the Ludicrous Bey. Okay, did almost get a burst, so it could almost stop the Ludicrous Bey. But again, we are getting clicks off of Dynamite Belial, so I gotta say, this works. I don't even know if I would want it to jump to the Dynamite evolution. I guess maybe just for the sake of it, but I don't even know how I'll probably contact someone to design it if I wanted it, or maybe make an announcement. If I actually do want to put through the Dynamite evolution, I know people. I'll just go through that. I don't even think actually Dynamite's in the 3D modeling phase yet, anyways. Probably wouldn't want it for a while anyways. I'd rather see what Dynamite Battle has to offer, because I don't even know what combo I would give it in the Dynamite evolution. In what armor? Yeah, because we don't have that much to go with right now. Ooh, it pocketed my Bey. Alright, we're gonna give it one more shot against Dynamite Belial. My Bey does a pretty good job at this. Look at that. Hey, it's fighting pretty well. Don't know if we'll win, but, you know. Okay. Oh no, let's try Is my bait too weak against Cyclone? Let's see. Yeah, this might be Cyclone also winning very easily. I don't know if either of them can beat the world, though. That's the one bait that's, like, tougher than both of them. Ooh, okay, look at that! Big hits! Look at that! Oh my god. Hey, we're holding on. We're holding on by a hair. I don't know, are we gonna stop before we hit it? No? Okay. Hey, we got a few clicks. We got a few clicks. This thing clearly hits hard, just needs more stamina. Oh my god. Hey, this one's doing really, it's actually doing very good, to be honest. Again, a few clicks off of Cyclone. Am I a lucky man? Do I got it actually KO'd. Wow. Do I get it? Oh, I was so close to a burst. Look at that. Look at that. Attack it. Head on. No mercy. No. We actually are doing very well against the Dynamite. I didn't even think. So that means it's gonna. These two will die to the world. No, get back here. It's hiding. No, and I was gonna win. It's, what is it doing? You can't just do that, no. That was the Kuza, it cheated. It cheated. It was high, it didn't want to fight me. It just hit around. No, 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 go straight to the center, straight to the center. Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh, got very close. Okay, that time I think you're close. Whatever, last one. I keep on forgetting, I angled my pocket to the pocket where the pockets are facing me, not to the side, sorry. The pocket's right here and here. The ones on, yeah, I keep on forgetting that, so I keep on launching straight. Well, let's see what happens. So either way, you know, this did super well. All right, so I would give that, it didn't really win. I don't think it won at all, but it did do. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe and click bell notifications on. Okay, now for the next one. The world with wheel, and I've switched it actually to universes to be safe. It'll be in the small stadium, so that way they cannot escape my wrath. And plus I think it'll be more fun. It's more intense this way. I don't even... Was it trying to do a vertical there? What was it trying to do? Okay, yeah, in this stadium, yeah, definitely. Just want to make sure, because it's not even... really not even giving them a chance. Yeah, this thing is really strong. Look at the hits on this. Yeah, this thing's like, I've been saying, it's like a beast. I don't think I can do anything against it. It's going blow for blow. The Dynamite probably has more lad and will outlast it if it can't. Yeah, I'm okay with that. You did a good job there, slammed it into a wall. The big hits that matter now. Wow, Dynamite Belial. Okay, let's try Cyclone. That's the world is. Didn't do as good against Belial, so I think my the Ludicrous run for Crazy Aries did a little bit better. No, but I think technically it won more. Actually, never mind. Whoa, big hits. Okay, really powerful hits. I think my stadium jumped. Alright, let's try to switch it to drift. I like to switch around, you know, just to make sure. See what works, what doesn't. I wonder how well it'll do with drift. Yeah, so honestly, this has been a lot of fun. I do want to see if we can get one burst though. Yeah, this one again, it's like a wild card, right? Like you never know what we're gonna get. Okay, that one was really, really strong. I do realize how crazy probably the audio is going to be, how loud it'll be, because of all the hits. Do a couple more. That was pretty sick, actually. I have a super dumb idea, but I want to see what happens if I give this a Dynamite disc. So, once again, changing the combination. Alright, where is Kerbex from the pits of the hell? Oh, the gap doesn't even really matter actually on this one. Yeah, let me put this on. Look at that. It's okay. So I'm actually curious now with Giga. How does it do? Okay, definitely stronger with Giga. Though no bursts. I always just check to make sure the bays are good after. Alright, well I think we'll do one more. Okay, maybe one more. Alright, I will humor the viewers and I will show you what happens for both of them if they were in high mode and how well they would do. Probably not that well, I would assume. Yeah, high mode always takes a second to assemble. Because in high mode they lose burst resistance for, I guess, attack potential. Yeah, it just goes to show both Beys designed by amazing people, really fun to see them battle. At least none of them broke, or none of them got any big scars in the battles. It actually jumped up in the air. Alright, let's get the last one, and I wrap up my thoughts. So I like the new Dynamite Stadium. I hate self-KOs. I do think, actually, Dynamite did win in both occasions. Maybe not the World. I think the World probably did win better than the Crazy Aries one. Alright, fair enough. So, those were the battles. In the end, who won? 3D prints or Dynamites? Yeah, probably the Dynamite ones. I think I'll leave off with, honestly, nothing in particular. It was really fun to do these battles. A huge shout out to Crazy Aries and Quakin' Bacon for the Beys I showcased in the video. Make sure you check them out. Link in the description. Yeah, no, this was fun. Like I said, I don't know if I want to have a Dynamite version of this. But, yeah. Don't think, maybe a little bit of stress around it. Yeah, this one, it definitely did take out a lot of the paint on it. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.